Alright, today I got another American lock. Probably gonna be another short video. US marked. I don't know the model. It's just a 4-pin. That's what the key looks like. Pretty flat. And this one's, I don't know if that'll show up real good on camera, but it's actually a rivet in there instead of a screw. So we're not going to be gutting this today. I might drill it out, make another video of gutting it and replacing the security nut and the rivet, replace the rivet with a screw there. But for now, let's just see if we can get it picked. Got a false set there. So it does have at least one spool. Oh, we're open. Didn't even realize this thing has got a really tough spring on that core. Even worse if you're familiar with like the 1100s and the spring on those. This thing's even tighter. It's about the same size. In fact, I think it is the same size as an 1100. With that flat bitting, I could probably rake this thing open. Let's see. I don't really practice raking, so I might not be able to do this with security pins, but judging by how flat that key is, I think it's gonna open up pretty easy. Yep, there it goes. All right. Thanks for watching.